Way too cool. Nice fun dish that you can make whenever really, but the weekends probably, since it takes a little bit more time. Maybe a date night type thing or dinner for the kids or for yourself. Just strained all the pasta, rinsed all of the foam off, and we're ready to go. Grab our baking pan, add some aluminum foil on top, spread it out. Then grab you some coconut oil spray or whatever cooking spray you have. And then just spray it down a little bit. Now it's time for the kebab sticks. They're called Banza Skewers. Got 100 packs. So I'll grab this from Party City. You might want to check on that. Maybe Walmart, different things like that. So it's a good idea to get the real small ones. Do you see how skinny these are? So that way they can actually fit, depending on the type of pasta that you have. This is the Banza, so it's a little bit smaller than, I guess, regular pasta. So we're gonna put it right through, just like that. All right. So we'll just replicate that practice. All right, we can bring it all the way down. Now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. So this is 70 calories per serving. The serving size is 120 milliliters or 120 grams, all right? So let's go ahead and start pouring. And we should be good with a serving size, all right? I believe that's enough. So I'm gonna get a spoon so I can sprinkle this on there, and then if I need more, I'll go ahead and fill this back up. We're gonna weigh out the cheese as well. Serving size of the Daya dairy-free cheese, 30 grams is 80 calories. Probably use a little bit more than that. This is the mozzarella shreds. Use whichever one you want. So add that. That's 20. We're gonna go, let's see. 40 should be good. All right, yeah. 40 grams of cheese. If I need more, I'll add more. We're gonna start off with the tomato sauce. Just add it on there like that. It's not gonna be perfect. Probably just get it all over it. And it looks like I'm gonna need a little bit more tomato sauce. And you can add as much or as little as you want based on the amount of calories that you have. Now it's time for the cheese. Add another 20 grams, so it's a total of 60 grams altogether, which is 2 servings, which is 160 calories. So now we're just gonna add a little bit of seasonings on top. We got some garlic powder, got some pink salt, some black pepper. I'm gonna just add a little bit of the fried rice seasoning. I put this on everything. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, so this ended up being ready to go in about 7 minutes. That is cool. Way too cool. Nice fun dish that you can make whenever really, but the weekends probably, since it takes a little bit more time. Maybe a date night type thing or dinner for the kids or for yourself. All right, so I decided to go ahead and make some more. This is the black bean penne. All right, so we got the chickpea Banza penne and then the black bean penne. All right, so I have 240 grams of the sauce, which is 2 servings. So we'll start over here. 50 grams of cheese. And again, make sure that you make it work for your calories, all right? You don't want to just go with the amount that I'm using if you don't have the exact amount of calories that I'm putting on here to work with. So you may want to add a little bit less cheese or a little bit less tomato sauce or not as much pasta. Or if you got the calories and it does fit your calories for the day, a little bit more than what I'm using. Just make sure that works for you. Time to put it in the oven. I completely forgot to season this, so I opened up the oven and hurry up and grab the seasonings. Alright, so I'm going to set the timer. And I'm going to put that on, it's 8 minutes. That's as much as it should take. Maybe even 7 to start it. And then we'll test it or check it